Good morning, class. Good
Good
morning,
morning.
everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, today we will revise chapter first in grammar. Chapter 1 in grammar book. Okay, you have already done, but today we will revise again the sentence. The chapter's name is Good morning. The chapter's name is the sentence. Okay,
Sentence.
now first of all, tell me what is a sentence.
Ma'am, I tell.
One minute, one by
Ma'am, I
one. Okay,
tell.
okay.
Ma'am, I tell. Ma'am, I tell Diya.
Yes,
I
Apurva,
tell.
Apurva,
Sakshi.
Apurva, you
Ma'am, I
tell.
tell.
Apurva, what is a sentence? Jay, will you tell what is a sentence?
Ma'am, I
Jay,
tell Diya.
okay. Dia,
Ma'am,
you
I
tell.
tell.
Dia,
Tell a group of words that makes a complete sentence is called sentence.
very good. A group of words means some words will be there like nice, house, this is a. Okay, this is a group of words. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words are there. 5 words है ना? Group of
Ma'am,
words.
this
This
is
is
a
a
nice house.
yes. This is a group of words. Some words are there, but these are not in proper order. Okay, ये proper order में नहीं है ना? We can't
No, ma'am.
understand. We can't understand this nice house. This is a. This is a.
Nice.
This is not a. This is
After
not
that,
a complete sentence. This is
group
not
of
a complete sentence. We can't say this a sentence because this sentence is not. These words are in not complete order, proper order, and this has not a complete sense. So we can't say this a sentence. When we
Ma'am,
arrange this, see.
a group of words in proper order that makes a complete sentence is called sentence.
Okay, now when we will arrange these, first of all, this
Is
is a
a nice
nice
house.
house. Okay, now this is a complete sentence because these words are in proper order and it
Yes.
has a sense. Okay, complete sense.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we can say this is a complete
Good morning, ma'am.
sentence. Okay, good morning. This is a nice house. Okay, अब ये sentence बन गया. So
Yes.
the definition of a sentence is
A group
a
of words
group
in
of words in proper order,
that
which has a complete sense. जिसका एक sense होता है, जो proper order में होता है, that is called a sentence. The sentence. Okay. First of all, you have we will understand this कि what is a sentence. एक sentence क्या होता है? Then we will start the chapter. Okay. Sentence क्या होता है? समझ में आया? What is a sentence? Have you understood? जय समझ में आया?
sentence is a group of word in proper order that makes a
Complete
complete.
sense. Okay, very good. Okay, this is the definition of a sentence. Next, now I am writing some words. Okay. Now, here are some words. Dogs, strangers, barks at. Okay. Arrange these. Who will arrange? Yogeshwari. Yogeshwari. Yogeshwari.
Please, ma'am.
Yogeshwari.
Ma'am, I tell.
Yogeshwari, you
Ma'am,
tell.
I tell.
Yes, Yogeshwari.
Dog and
Dogs barks at strangers.
strangers.
Dogs strangers को भौंकते हैं ना dogs.
Yes,
Dogs
ma'am.
barks
Yes, ma'am.
at strangers. Strangers पे भौंकते हैं. Okay.
And dog barks at.
Now here are some words. Ran quickly. Ran quickly is a sentence or not? Ran quickly is a sentence?
No.
No. Around the corner is a sentence? Around the corner is a sentence? Complete sentence? No.
No.
Eager to eat is a complete sentence? No. This is in your book. Open page number 6. You can see in your book. To make lemonade. To make lemonade is a sentence? No. On the table. On the table?
No.
Not complete sentence, because we don't know what is on the table, where is table, we don't know about this, so this is not a sentence. For a while, a sentence?
No, ma'am.
No. Cool and rainy evening is a sentence?
No.
No. These group of words neither start with a capital letter note and with a punctuation mark. Okay, what a punctuation mark? Full stop, question mark and exclamation mark. Full stop, question mark, exclamation mark. Okay, तो जो sentence, the sentence will start from, and but these are not starting from. जैसे ran quickly, this is not starting from capital letter. So a sentence starts from a capital letter always. Okay, capital letter से start होता है, and in the end there will be full stop, question mark और exclamation mark. Okay, हमेशा full stop होना चाहिए, question mark होना चाहिए, या फिर exclamation mark. That will be the sentence. That will be the sentence. Okay, वही sentence होगा जिसके end में जो sentence कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होगा और एंड में ये तीनों में से ये पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स होंगे, फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क और एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
नाउ कैन यू टेल one sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Speak one sentence.
Ma'am, I
Apurva.
tell. Ma'am, I tell.
Yes, Jay, you tell. Jay,
Yes, ma'am.
one sentence. Speak one sentence. Okay, Khyati, you speak. Khyati, one
Ma'am, I
sentence. One sentence.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, बोले.
Yes. Yes.
Can you listen?
Can you?
Listen me.
Okay, this is sentence. Okay. Diya.
Ma'am.
Diya.
Ma'am, many trees in the garden.
Okay, very good. This is simple sentence. So I write there. There are many trees in the garden. Okay. So this, what will we put here? What will we put here? Full stop, because this is a simple sentence. So we will write full stop. Okay. One more. Yogeshwari, make a sentence.
Ball in the garden. Sorry, ma'am. We play football every day.
He plays football every day. Okay, we will write H capital. He plays football every day. Okay, this is our next sentence. He plays football every day. This group of words have a complete sense, and these words are in proper order. These words are arranged in proper order, so these are called sentences. Okay, this one sentence, this is second sentence. Okay, these are called sentences. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there are many trees in the garden. This is a sentence. He plays football every day. Now, make a sentence. We can put question mark in the end. We can put question. Yes, Priyanshi. Priyanshi. Priyanshi.
Where are you going?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Where
where
are
are you going?
Where are you going?
Going. What are you doing? Here is my book. Ma'am, what are you doing? What is your name? How are you?
Where are you
Your name.
going? Okay.
Ma'am,
So what we will
This
put
is your
here
bag.
in the end?
Sir.
Question mark. Okay.
What is your
Next,
doing? Ma'am,
what
what are
are you
you doing?
doing? Okay.
Ma'am, what is your
Question
name?
mark.
Here is
Okay.
my bag. Your name.
These group of words are in proper order, and here is question mark because we asking something. In these sentences we are asking something. हम कुछ पूछ रहे हैं. So these are questions. Okay, where are you going? What are you doing? ठीक है. Now let's use about phrases in sentence. अब ये आपको जो मैंने ran quickly around the corner ये कराए थे ना, अब उनके sentence बनाते हैं. Usain Bolt ran quickly in the race. Ran quickly is not a sentence, but when we will use this in this sentence, Usain Bolt, जब हमने उसके साथ कुछ add कर दिया, when we will add something, Usain Bolt ran quickly in the race. In the race and Usain Bolt, we will add. So now this is a complete sentences or sentence. Okay, take a left turn, you will see my car parked around the corner. Take लेफ्ट टर्न लेना तो वहां पे मेरी कार दिखेगी. यू विल see my car parked around the corner. Garima was eager to eat Old Delhi street food. Eager to eat. So we will add Garima was and Old Delhi street food. This is complete sentence. My books are kept on the table. On the table is not a sentence, but when we will add my books are kept. When we will add this phrase to these words, so this is now a complete sentence. I will reach in 10 minutes, please wait for a while. For a while is phrase, and we will add this. Shikha loves cool and rainy evenings of monsoon. Okay, now Harry the gave, this is not a sentence. The cheese eating, not a sentence.
No,
We
ma'am.
play football every day. This is a sentence because we have a complete sense in this, and there is full stop. So this is a sentence. Goes to school. This is not a sentence. We went for shopping. This is a sentence. We went for shopping because we are telling something. हम किसी को कुछ बता रहे हैं. So this is a sentence. In the kitchen, this is not a sentence. Who is in the kitchen? Mother is or father is or in the kitchen. क्या है kitchen में हमें नहीं पता. So this is not a sentence. My favorite season is winter. This is a complete sentence. Okay, now rearrange the jumbled words. Is sunny it today? Is It is sunny today. Okay. In 7 there are days a week.
There are 7 days in a
Yes,
week.
there are 7 days in a week. Because these are not in proper order, so we will arrange them. Then we can make sentence.
Sentence.
Blue write a pen with, write with a blue pen. Write with a blue pen. Love to go I to the library. Love to go to library. A week play basketball twice. Play basketball. I play basketball twice a week. I play basketball twice a week. Afraid am of I not darkness. Afraid of darkness. I'm not afraid of darkness.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Has the yes.
Ma'am, what is that?
Afraid means darna. Now add suitable words to following groups of words to make meaningful sentences. Here are some words I write in the class. Add some words here. In the class. Add something. Add something. When we will add.
In the class.
Yes.
In the class.
The.
The student.
Yes.
Class.
The students.
In the class.
The students are in the class. Students are. Okay. The students are. Next. Love to play cricket.
I love to play cricket.
Yes, I love to. They love to. We can write they. We can write I. I love to play cricket. They love to play cricket. We love to play cricket. We can add anything. Then it will be a complete sentence. Next. Are going market.
We are going market.
Yes, we are going market.
We are going market.
Ladies are going market. My mother and my sister. My mother and my sister are going market. Yes, we can add many words. So it will be a complete sentences. Okay.
Sentence.
We can add we. We are going market. Okay. Okay. Use your imagination and make sentences. In the street.
Hello.
Okay. On the road. Okay. Here is a word phrase on the road. On the road. Use this phrase and make sentence. Use this phrase and make sentence on the road. One by one. Priyanshi. 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 Make sentence from this. Diya, you tell. Diya. Yes, the vehicles are on the road. Okay, Diya. Diya. Okay, next.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Next is
Excuse me, ma'am.
in my bag. Okay, use this. Yogeshwari, my books are in my bag. Okay, the books are, yes,
My bag. Many books in my bag.
in my bag. Okay, this is a complete sentence. Anjali, Anjali, you tell. Good girl. Add something here.
Ma'am,
She is a good girl. Okay, we will write she is a good girl. Okay, this is a complete sentence.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I said sentence.
one. Yes, you can speak. What?
Ma'am, speaker is the group.
Sorry, beta, can't hear. Your voice is not coming properly.
Please add this picture in the group.
This is your first chapter. You have done already in the grammar book. Okay,
No,
I'll
ma'am.
send. Okay,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
send afterwards.
Working
ठीक है?
age.
Okay, I'll send after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, is that clear? What is a sentence? About
Yes,
sentences?
ma'am.
Our first chapter is over. First chapter is clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now come to the second chapter.
Second chapter. Ma'am, subject and predicate.
Yes, subject and predicate. Okay. First of all, tell me what is subject and what is
Ma'am, I said the part the sentence.
what is
The part of the sentence. Ma'am, I
predicate. Okay. What is subject?
The sentence, the about is first, the subject, the part of the sentence that tells us
Okay,
something
see.
about the sentence that tells us something about the subject are the predicate.
Now see, the students are studying in the class. We will divide this sentence into two parts, one part and the other part. Okay. The part of the sentence tells us whom or the sentence is about. कि ये sentence किसके बारे में, to whom about this sentence. The part, which part is telling us about that we are talking to whom, about हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं उस सेंटेंस में. तो इस सेंटेंस में हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? The students के बारे में. So the students is subject. इसको हम बोलेंगे subject. Okay. And what are we talking about students? हम students के बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं? Are studying in the class. So this part is predicate. तो जो हम बोल रहे हैं उनके बारे में that is predicate. Okay. The part of a sentence we are talking about, that is tell us to whom we are talking, मतलब किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. The part of the sentence that tells us what or whom the sentence is about, मतलब किसके बारे में वो sentence है. What is the sentence is about, मतलब हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, that is subject. And the part of the sentence that tell us something about the subject, और जो part हमें subject के बारे में बता रहा है, the part of a sentence which tells us about the subject something, जो हमें उसके बारे में कुछ बता रहा है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है, कहाँ पे है, ऊपर है, नीचे है, यहाँ है, वहां है. सब्जेक्ट इज हाउ इज सब्जेक्ट, व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट, वेयर इज सब्जेक्ट. ओके, जो पार्ट हमें सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बता रहा है, दैट इज प्रेडिकेट. अंडरस्टूड? सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट, व्हाट इज प्रेडिकेट? सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? सेंटेंस का वो पार्ट जिसके बारे में हम सेंटेंस में बात कर रहे हैं. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, जिस पार्ट के जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, किसी भी यू अंडरस्टैंड इन सिंपल वे कि जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं सेंटेंस में, दैट इज सब्जेक्ट, और जो उसके बारे में हम बोल रहे हैं, दैट इज प्रेडिकेट. ओके, इन हिंदी आई एक्सप्लेन प्रॉपरली कि जिस सेंटेंस में जिसके बारे में भी हम बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज सब्जेक्ट, और जो उसके बारे में हम बोल रहे हैं, दैट इज प्रेडिकेट. ओके, दैट इज प्रेडिकेट. अंडरस्टूड? इन दिस सेंटेंसेस, दिस पेन हैज अ ब्यूटीफुल अपीयरेंस. तो हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट pen. So this pen is subject, and what are you saying? What are we saying about? Has a beautiful appearance, मतलब ये अच्छा लिखता है. तो हमने क्या बोला पेन के बारे में कि अच्छा लिखता है, that is predicate. Okay, understood? Subject and predicate. Now I write some sentences. One by one you will tell. This is a sentence. Okay, Namit is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Namit, tell. In this sentence, the sun rises in the east. 1 minute. The sun rises in the east. Namit, tell. What is the subject?
The sun.
What is the subject?
Sun.
The sun. Okay. This is the subject. Okay. And what is the object? Sorry. What is the predicate? What is the predicate? Rises in the east. This is predicate. Okay. Very good. Next. The girls are painting from brushes.
Ma'am, I tell the.
Okay. Yogeshwari. What is subject?
Ma'am, the girls are subject and
No, only the girls is subject. The girls is subject and are painting from brushes predicate. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The girls is subject and are painting
Predicate.
Utkarsh. Utkarsh.
मैम बस हमारी क्लास में थोड़ी है.
Utkarsh is not there.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Khyati, you tell. What is subject? Kathy, what is subject?
Ma'am, I tell here.
Anjali, you tell. Anjali,
Yes, ma'am.
what is subject?
The boys.
The boys is subject. Are playing predicate. Okay,
Predicate.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please ask me. You don't ask me. Ask me.
Who is saying? Tell your
Ma'am,
name.
Diya.
Diya. Okay.
Ma'am, Priyanshi.
Okay, okay. Now,
Priyanshi.
uh, we will read this. Himanshu was writing a letter. Himanshu is subject. Was writing a letter, predicate. Supriya is subject. Is sleeping, predicate. The aeroplane flew over the sea. This is a sentence. The aeroplane, we are talking about aeroplane. In this sentence, we are talking about aeroplane. So, aeroplane is subject. Flew over the sea, predicate. The movie will be released on Friday. We are talking about the movie. Movie के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So, the movie is subject, will be released on Friday, predicate. Sagarika enjoys playing hide and seek. Sagarika is subject and enjoying playing hide and seek, predicate. My watch is not working. My watch is subject because we are talking about my watch. हम जिसके बारे में भी बात करते हैं ना सेंटेंस में, that is subject, और जो हम उसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं, that is predicate. So my watch is subject, is not working, predicate. The plan is working well. The plan is subject, is working well, predicate. Okay. Underline the subjects and circle the predicates. Now, Pranjal is an intelligent boy. We will underline Pranjal and is an intelligent boy. Circle. The birds underline क्योंकि birds subject है and is the bird is flying. The bird को हमें underline करना है, is flying को circle करना है. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The teacher sings well. The teacher, we are talking about teacher. So, teacher is subject, is sings well is predicate. Preeti writes a story. Preeti is subject, writes a story is predicate. The teacher is in the library. The teacher is subject, is in the library. We are talking about teacher and what are saying about teacher? Is in the library. She is in the library. तो ये हमने बोला उनके बारे में. So this is predicate. My books are in the almirah. My books, subject, are in the almirah, predicate. My father is a businessman. My father, subject, is a businessman, predicate. My mother cooks tasty food. My mother is subject. Cooks tasty food is predicate. Okay?
Predicate.
Understood? Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here are some predicates and subjects. You will fill them. So first, the children. Okay, add predicate. यहाँ पे predicate add करना है. The children. दिया.
Ma'am, please
दिया.
explain. Yes,
दिया.
ma'am.
The children add predicate.
The children are playing in the park.
One more. एक और.
The children are dancing.
Children are dancing. Okay. The children are dancing. We will add this predicate and this is a complete sentence. Okay. Next. Stars. Yogeshwari. Stars.
Stars are shining in the sky.
Okay. Stars are shining. Good.
In the night.
In the night, in the sky. We can add many things. Okay. Good. These are two sentences. Next. A pilot. A pilot.
Flying airplane.
Anjali. Anjali.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell. A pilot.
A pilot.
Jay. You tell. Jay Khandelwal. Namit, you tell. A pilot.
Pilot is flying.
A pilot is flying an aeroplane.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Pilot.
A pilot flies
An aeroplane.
an aeroplane. Okay. A pilot flies an aeroplane. Okay, now I am writing some subjects. Add some predicate. I am Rudransh. I am Rudransh. Rudransh.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell. Add one predicate. I am. You can add many things. I am studying in the class. I am going to market. I am a good student. I am a good boy. Any predicate you can add.
Playing cricket.
I am
A good girl.
a good boy. I am a good boy.
I'm a good. I am playing a cricket.
I am playing cricket. Okay. Very good. I am playing cricket.
I'm going.
So I am is subject
Sorry,
and
ma'am.
playing cricket is predicate. Okay. The lion, not lion, lion, lion. The lion, the lion, the lion is the king of jungle. Okay, very good. Or one more. The lion is sleeping. Okay. So the lion is subject.
Very loudly. The lion roared very loudly.
The lion is subject
मैम किसी के माइक में से शोर हो रहा है
and
roar very
is
loud.
the
King of forest.
king of jungle. The lion is the king of jungle. This is predicate. Okay. We are talking about the lion. Again I am telling जिसके बारे में हम सब्जेक्ट में सॉरी सेंटेंस में बात कर रहे हैं that is subject. We are talking about lion. And what are you saying about lion? What are we saying about lion?
Is the
Is the king of jungle. These words are telling something about lion. So this is predicate. Okay. Understood? Subject and predicate. Okay, now tell me some sentences divided in subject and predicate. You make some sentences.
children are playing in the park.
Again, we have done this sentence, Diya. New sentence. Make new sentence. Make new sentence. Khyati. Khyati?
Ma'am, the girl is dancing.
The girl is dancing. Okay. ये किसने बोला?
Dancing on the floor. Ma'am, Ritika ने.
The girl. Kritika? Ritika, sorry, Ritika.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell what is predicate in this? The girl is dancing. Predicate क्या है इसमें? Ritika.
Ma'am, predicate is dancing.
Yes, is dancing is predicate. Okay. And the girl is?
Okay, ma'am.
The girl is?
Subject.
Subject. Okay. Clear? Is this clear? Everything?
Yes, ma'am.
सब कुछ समझ में आया? जय खंडेलवाल?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Jay? Jay Khandelwal. Understood everything, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When I explained these chapters before, some students were not there. They can understand now. Okay. अब समझ में आया अच्छे से? Okay. The class is over now. Have a nice day. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Okay. Bye. Have a
Bye,
nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Dia. Bye. Bye, Dia.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for teaching us.
Thank you, ma'am, for teaching us. Bye, Dia. Bye, Lee.